Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Aliexpress error code CSC 7200064. The error reads, "Payment failed. Please contact your bank to make sure your card is valid, or choose another card or payment methods for payment." As per our research, this error comes when users try to make a payment for their order on Aliexpress. It seems the payment fails and shows this error on the screen. According to our research, this error is likely caused by invalid card details, expired cards, or some conflict between the card and Aliexpress's payment system. The error may also occur if you are using a VPN or gift card that is not compatible with the payment system. The first thing you should try is to turn off your VPN, so if you are using a VPN, then disable it. After that, restart your device and try making the payment again. If the error still comes, then check your card details. Make sure you're entering the correct card number, expiry date and CVV. Also, confirm that your card has not expired. If the error still persists, remove the saved card from your Aliexpress account and re-add it manually. Then try placing the order again. If the error still appears, go to your Aliexpress account, then select Payment, then go to Orders and press Pay Now. Try paying this way and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues and you had a previous transaction stuck in pending for a long time, then you may have to wait for a week or two before you can make a new purchase. So give it some time and try again. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try using a different card or payment method. If you have another card or payment option available, use that and see if the error still comes. If you are using a gift card, make sure the card can be used online and internationally. Also, make sure all the details, such as name, address and currency, match exactly between the card and your Aliexpress account. If nothing helps, then you should reach out to Aliexpress customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.